So we finally got to our room, and it looks pretty cool. We're going to show you around. This is your closet area. You get two rows. A pretty lady. Safe, and you get some slippers. What do you think? Pretty neat, huh? So this is the bathroom area. It's pretty slick. Nice. Ooh. Little mat. Not bad, not bad. Good. In the main room, this is a nice little place to put your luggage. We definitely need that. Nice king size bed.
I think something.
Enough for 2 plus me. Is that how the song goes?
I think so.
And then we go out into the balcony. Somehow. There we go. Check that out. Oh, we got a little clothes drying rack. Nice. Look at that.
See a hair of the Olympic pool. We are 43.34.
43.34 she says. So, all in all, we like our room. It looks pretty nice. The bellhop is going to bring in our luggage here in a minute. It took forever. Like I said, we got here around 9:30.
Everything's running together now. No, I think we got here at 10.
Yeah, 10. We weren't able to actually get into our room until 3. So we had to carry around our backpacks and, well,
our personal bags.
yeah, personal bags plus 1.
You don't have to, but we weren't leaving them in the lobby.
Right. I mean, who would?
Yeah.
We did have locks for our main luggage because they're just left right by the street, basically, which we weren't too thrilled about, but.
And when we say by the street, we mean by where the buses pick you up at the lobby. It's not like a public street. There's still a guard when you come onto the property, but still.
Yeah, it's pretty secure, but whatever. Could put them in a room or something. But they were all locked, so it was all good. But we still had to lug around those heavy-ass bags all over to the pool whenever we changed spots. And that was a decent amount of time. You don't think about it.
It's a lot of walking, and it's a far distance to walk back and forth from the lobby down to the pools and the beach, and from restaurants.
So we were ill prepared for this. We needed to pack basically a bug out bag that had everything we needed, sunscreens, snorkel, stuff like that. Extra clothes. We had to pretty much get it on the fly, which took a while to do, but we got it done. It wasn't done good, but it was done, and it just seemed like it took forever.
I think we underestimated the sheer size of the resort. Like, we thought Sandals was big because we were told that's a big resort and we loved it. Like, this is insane.
It's huge, and it's just so open. There's probably hundreds of chairs everywhere at any time, so you can have a place to sit for sure.
No, we're gonna enjoy some air conditioning, get a little rest, and then go to dinner.
Right.
Clean up.
Finally got rid of our bags, get our decent clothes, and maybe have some dinner / lunch.
Yeah.
All right. So should be pretty fun. We'll keep you clued in. So, side note, we just noticed our little minibar, and it is quite nice. You get Corona Extra. No limes, though. It's pretty messed up. Water. Let's get you in there. You get some juice, some orange soda, mineral water, Coke, and some Sprites and such. Not bad, not bad. I'm having myself a Corona right now. Of course, all your basic coffee, blah blah blah. Which, I don't know. Looks like only enough for one. Here, film me.
They probably refill it every day though.
Right.
But you're only getting 1 cup in the morning.
Right? What if I want a couple cups?
Yes, you gotta go to breakfast.
This is a couple cups here. 4 cups it says, which means 2. But yeah. I'll be all about that later. Cheers.